On today's episode of Tila Takes Over, I'm going to show you how we staged this entire house for $1,000. We started with a couch and bed and a few other items and thrifted most items. Using this method, the client was able to save money off of typical professional staging, as well as keep any items they wanted to incorporate in their new home. If you're watching this video, I don't probably need to tell you why you should stage. But in case it's unclear, staged homes have statistically sold for between 1 and 5% more than unstaged homes. So how do we do it? Well, staging consists of two key components: decluttering and depersonalization. Essentially, you want buyers to be able to envision themselves living in your home. This client was moving across the country, so they had all of their other items put into storage pods and left a completely blank slate. We had to reconfigure the living room to make the best use of the space so that it showed how large it was. We started by moving the couch to the window side of the room, added a bunch of thrifted items like a large rug that fit the scale of the room for $50, scored a whole living room set of tables for $150, lamps for $30, and a chair for $50. I brought in a spare lamp from home that fit the vibe of the space and found a few new but discounted pieces from HomeSense to style. I made the art above the console table to bring together the colors of the space. I added a mirror on the opposite wall of the window that I got for $20 and fixed up with some paint. In the dining room, the client had a large bulky wood table that took up most of the space. I thrifted this small circular glass table to demonstrate the functionality of the space. The table was thrifted for $80 and the set of chairs was thrifted for $20. Yes, the whole set of chairs for $20. They look great for photos and showings. Just don't look at them too closely. If you're selling your home, comment staging checklist and I'll send you the link to my exclusive staging checklist. Moving upstairs, the client had a very bachelor bed and was open to the idea of getting new bedding to take with them. I scored some brand new sheets, a new comforter, and some pillows for under $200. This bedroom needed night tables, which are incredibly hard to thrift a set of and incredibly expensive to buy new. So we settled on these glass side tables styled for the bedroom for $300. I thrifted the art for $60, the lamps for $100, the rug for $30, and the curtains for $10. I thrifted the mirror for $30 and painted it at my shop to make it match the space. In the second bedroom, I wanted to make sure that the buyer could envision it as a kid's bedroom while demonstrating its size potential. I added the rug, which was a $20 thrift. The chairs were borrowed from a friend, and the shelf and lamp were left by the client. Again, I staged the shelf with just a few small items from the local home decor store. In the third bedroom, I staged it as an office so that a family could picture it as more of a flex space if they only had one child. I scored this amazing desk new but super discounted from the home decor store because it was in super rough shape. I took it to my shop and sprayed it with paint so it was now like new. The chair was the client's and I got the decor for a total of $50. I thrifted the third mirror in this house for $5 and I hope you have learned that mirrors can be your secret weapon in staging your home for sale. I hope you have learned some thrifty hacks for how you can stage your home for sale to get top dollar while on a budget. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you want to see next.